Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete search history on Google Maps. So let's start this video. First open your Google Maps application. Now click on your profile in the top right corner. Over here you have to click on settings, scroll down and then click on maps history. Now over here you have to select this drop down menu and then you can select the desired time which you want to delete. So there are many options such as delete today and delete custom range, which will be in custom form, and you can also delete all time or you can click on auto delete. So I will just click on delete all time. Now after this you have to click on delete and as you can see my search history is deleted, so I will just click on got it. Now again go back and then click over here. Now over here as you can see it still shows recent history, so there is no way because what we have done is that we have deleted the history from Google server but not from the Google Maps. So to delete this recent history too, you have to just install this app and then install it again, and then your recent history will also be deleted. I hope this video will help you, so please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.